Hello students, today we are going to learn about how to respect and how to accept differences. Okay, so this is chapter number 7, sometimes different, sometimes not. Now let's listen. Your friend likes stories about fairies. Now you think that is silly, but you say nothing about it. Now what makes you silent? Yes, because he's your friend and you don't want to hurt him, right? So it is because you respect your friend. Okay? Now, no two people are alike means no two people are same. We all look different. Okay, we have uh, we have differences in the way we eat, what we wear, the language we speak, etc. So no two people are same. Okay. We all look different from one another. We think differently. We like or we dislike different things. We should respect these differences. And to respect these differences, first you have to accept these differences. We should respect one another. We all are human. Basically, this is the same thing that we all are human beings and we are sharing the same planet. That means we all are living on the earth. Let's read a very old story about respecting other people's point of view. So let's start and see the story. The story is Circle Time. Now many years ago there were hundreds of small tribes in Africa. Means small uh, villages and uh, communities were there in Africa. Each tribe felt that it was the most important one. So everyone was thinking that they are very important than the others, or they are superior than the others. They fought with one another all the time. Many people were killed. As a result, the population of the tribes decreased. Now what happened? So a long time ago, there were small communities or tribes or villages in the Africa. All were thinking that they are best and they are important, most important than others. So they were fighting because of this with each other, and as a result of war or of fighting, many people were killed and population of the tribes decreased. The chief of the Sioux tribe, there was a tribe, Sioux tribe, wanted peace. Now he wanted a peace. The chief thought that we should not fight like that. Uh, he invited all other tribes to talk about how they could live in peace. A huge group of people gathered. Each tribe's leader felt that he was the most important and should be allowed to speak first. So everyone wanted to be heard first. Everyone started speaking at the same time, shouting and even fighting. Now what happened? The Sioux tribe, okay, one of the tribes, the Sioux tribe chief, he thought that the tribe wanted peace. Now he invited all the tribes to talk on the topic or the issue, so how they can live peacefully. A huge group, so many people gathered. Each tribe or each one was thinking, or leader of the tribe was thinking that most they are important, they are superior, and they should be allowed first to speak. and everyone wanted to be heard first. So everyone started talking together, speaking together, and shouting. And at the end, they started fighting also. The Sioux chief had an idea. He asked the whole crew to make a large circle. Now they all faced one another. They were all equal. He said that everyone who wanted to say something would be heard. It did not matter which tribe he was from. Now see, Sioux tribe's chief, he got an idea, okay? He asked everyone to make a large circle, sit in a circle. Now everyone is facing one another, okay? So now they are all equal. See how you can see in the picture, they are sitting, okay, in a circle. So everyone is equal. No one is, so you can see how they are dressed differently. Okay, some difference is there, but when they are sitting in a circle like this, now they are all equal. No one is superior, no one is chief or a normal people. Okay, everyone is different. Now this chief of Sioux tribe, he said that everyone, uh, all or each and everyone will get a chance to speak, okay, or whoever wants to speak something to be heard, would be heard. Everyone will hear, other people will hear him, but it did not matter, and it did not matter from which tribe he was, but but he could speak only when he held the chief's stick. Means, if you can see in the picture that, see, the chief of the tribes, they are having a stick, and others are not having a stick like this. But now he said that the person who will be having or will be holding these, who is holding this chief stick, will get a chance to speak. The stick was passed. Now they started something, that stick, with the one stick, the stick was passed from hand to hand, from one person to another. They all took turns to speak. Now they are not fighting. Okay. Why? They are just passing. Now if I have stick, I finish my um things, and then I will pass the stick to other next, who is sitting next to me. Now he has a chance to speak. Now this way, they all took turns to speak. The chief also said, that while they were in a circle, everyone would be treated alike. That means everyone are equal now. Everyone would be treated same way. Okay. Doesn't matter how they, which tribe they belongs to. Doesn't matter that they are chief or the normal people from the tribe, or they are superior or inferior. Nothing. They all were same when they were doing this thing. All bad feelings. No, as a result of this, what happened? All bad feelings were put aside, and each one had a chance to speak his mind. Whatever they wanted to speak, whatever they wanted to say, other people were listening to him very nicely. So each and every one had a chance to express their feeling, or express or speak his mind. The meeting lasted for many days. This meeting lasted for many days because so many people were there, gathered there. So, and each and everyone was taking turn. Okay, turn by turn, they were saying something, whatever they want to or they wish. Then they all went back to their homes. Now all are back to their town or to their village or their home. They took back with them the idea of a circle. Means they understood how important it is to respect different points of view. Now here what they from learned from this process, that after going home, they took this idea with them, that you should understand, or you should respect different point of views, because no two people are same. If you see among your friends, right, your friends are not all are not same. Okay, not same like you also, in the way they look, how they wear, what they eat, how they stay, how they live their life, or the language they speak. But why you there is something which is same in you, that you are maybe studying in the same school, in the same class. Okay, you like same games, and you but at the end you enjoy playing with your friend, or sharing things with with your friend. So that is why you don't want to hurt. So you are accepting your friend as how he or she is. It doesn't matter how different he or she is, but you are accepting the difference lying in the person. Same way, at the same time, you are started giving respect to these differences, and you will never fight. Okay, so you can live. It improves, or it improves your relationship. Okay, your relationship will be strong if you respect others and accept others with their differences. Okay, so this was a story, okay, about something different, sometimes different, sometimes not. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss the question answers.